Russia has started military trials of the new TOS-2 Tosochka heavy flamethrower system. The weapon fires a thermobaric projectile that uses oxygen from the surrounding air to produce a high-temperature explosion. This weapon is designed to burn and destroy buildings and disable light armored vehicles. This will be used to eradicate terrorists hiding in hard-to-reach caves and tunnels without risking personnel loss. TOS-2 works as follows. It launches a rocket with a thermobaric projectile which when hit the ground releases a cloud of flammable substance, which explodes like a fireball in a movie or video game, said a source at the Russian military-industrial complex, as reported by the press. Russia beyond the headlines. According to him, Russia has been actively deploying previous-generation heavy flamethrower systems in Syria to force militant groups out of their caves and tunnels. Gas penetrates the most difficult-to-reach places. Weapons proved to be very effective in conflicts in the Middle East. What's more, thermobaric projectiles are not included in the UN Chemical Weapons Convention, he explained. TOS-2 is a further development of the heavy flamethrower system used by the Russian army and supplied to Moscow's overseas partners. Previous models include the TOS-1 Buratino and the TOS-1 Solnt-Sepek. The main difference between the TOS-2 and the previous generation system lies in the chassis being on wheels instead of the T-72 chain wheel. Thus, the maneuverability and mobility of the vehicle is increased, while production costs are reduced. This solution allows us to carry out hit-and-run tactics, launch a lightning strike against the enemy and then escape as quickly as possible, said Vadim Kozyulin of the Russian Academy of Military Sciences. According to him, the mobility of a vehicle with a chain wheel is very slow and heavy even though it is more protected. He explained, the previous generation TOS system will be used on the front lines, while the TOS-2 is deployed to carry out surprise attacks. The tactical and technical specifications of this weapon are still being kept secret until the end of testing in 2021. However, Kozyulin believes that the developer will create a new high-precision projectile to replace the existing ammunition. Engineers have always followed the classic faster, higher, stronger principle. New ammunition has been developed for the second-generation TOS. The ammunition should demonstrate its capabilities in the coming months, as well as its electronic protection system to hide the vehicle from the enemy, he said. The previous generation TOS-1A featured 18-barrel dual rocket launchers. Therefore, in addition to modern automatic fire control systems, newer models with thermobaric projectiles will likely have the same number of launchers. Difference between the TOS-2 and its predecessors is the ammunition reload system. Previously, vehicles were equipped with transloaders, but now Tosochka is equipped with loading cranes to handle this task, said Kozyulin.